When working on your application, you may be facing certain issues like understanding certain features, being unable to find what you need, etc. Regardless of which application you use, there is a good chance you will hit a wall and require assistance. This brings us to the Help Manual. The Help Manual can be used to find the location of certain features and/or explain what some features do. To access the Help Manual, go to the Help menu and click the Help Manual option. Here's the Help Manual. It will cover almost every aspect of the program you are currently on. To the left is the table of contents. This will obviously change depending on which Meca application you are using. In the top left corner, you will see 3 icons with checks on them. In chronological order, they will check all items in the table of contents, uncheck all items in the table of contents, and check all the main categories and ignore the subcategories. Categories that are checked are present on the right side and absent if not checked. This is not only useful for filtering out information you need, but can help you with the download and print options in the bottom right. Here you can download, copy, or print your manual. You can download your manual in PDF, Microsoft Word, HTML, and Excel. You can also copy all text that is marked by a check mark in the table of contents. Finally, you can print your manual should you want it in printed format. Not only that, but should you only want to download certain sections of the Help Manual, you can select which categories you want visible. You can either manually select what you want or use the check options above. Next, we move on to the Find button. As you can guess, you can use this to find a specific topic in the manual. Considering the contents of the Help Manual can get long, it's helpful to pinpoint the information you need. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl F on your keyboard to activate the Find button. Regardless of which method you choose, a window will pop up in the top right corner. Here you can type in the word or phrase you are looking for. For example, I am on Meca, so if I want to find information about roofs, I will type it in here. Now every instance of the word roof is highlighted in the manual. To cycle through them, simply press either the up or down arrow. The up arrow will take you to a previous location for roof, while the down arrow will take you to the next instance of roof. While the Help Manual can provide the info you need about any feature on our application, it can be tedious to constantly jump back and forth from it to find what you need. Fortunately, we have tooltips enabled. The tooltip are brief summaries of the function you are hovering over. It will explain exactly what they do and even give the proper equations when relevant. The information will be the exact same as what is in the Help Manual. When working, you may stumble upon cells that are either highlighted yellow or red. This indicates there is an issue. A box highlighted yellow indicates a warning. This can indicate a potential issue with whatever is entered. It isn't required to change this value if you believe it to be correct. If you wish to know what the warning is, you can hover over the yellow highlight. This will provide an explanation of why there is a warning and give a potential solution. A box highlighted red indicates an error. Unlike the warning boxes, an error box cannot be ignored and must be addressed as soon as possible, as its value contradicts with some other part of the code. Some menus will not even let you proceed until the error is rectified. To find out the issue, hover over the red highlight and you will be provided an explanation for the error. For example, I am trying to design a monoslope roof in Meca, but I am receiving more than a few errors in these cells. The graphic on the right even reflects these faulty values. To find out what is wrong, I will hover over the red outline on the ridge height. Apparently, the ridge height must be over 20 feet, so I will enter 25. And just like that, the errors are ironed out. Sometimes you may have to change a few cells to get things working. Remember, if you are struggling to understand aspects of the program, the Help Manual and tooltips can clarify your issues.